For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
The Insta360 Ace Pro is a waterproof action camera designed to give you outstanding image quality no matter where you are. What impressed me the most is its flagship 1/1.3-inch sensor combined with a powerful 5nm AI chip. The setup captures more light and reduces noise far better than many action cameras I've used before. I remember testing it during an evening hike, and the footage was noticeably clearer in low light, which really surprised me. Leica, a name known for top-tier lenses, co-engineered the Sumrit lens on Ace Pro. Their expertise ensures your shots come out sharp and vibrant every time, which I definitely noticed when recording some fast-moving outdoor scenes. When it comes to image quality, the camera lets you shoot 4K videos at 120 frames per second for smooth slow motion. Active HDR balances the colors well, keeping everything vivid. Plus, the new PureVideo mode uses AI noise reduction to improve low-light videos, making those nighttime shots look much cleaner. I actually tested this on a recent night trail run, and the results were better than I expected for an action camera in this category. The 2.4-inch flip touchscreen makes it easy to preview and control your shots from any angle. This is especially useful when you're filming yourself or tricky angles. The magnetic mounting system is simple and quick to use. I switched between biking and snorkeling mounts without wasting time. Ace Pro also offers useful features like pause recording, gesture control, and clarity zoom. Its AI automatically creates highlight reels and pushes them to the Insta360 app, so you spend less time editing and more time capturing moments. For adventure lovers, this camera is built tough. It's waterproof to 33 feet, 10 meters, and works well in cold temperatures down to -20 degrees Celsius -4 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for winter sports or underwater filming. The FlowState stabilization smooths out bumps, which I tested during a mountain bike ride, and it really keeps footage steady. In the package, you get the Insta360 Ace Pro, a 1650 mAh battery, standard and flexible adhesive mounts, and a Type-C to C cable, everything you need to start shooting right away. From my experience, the combination of a large sensor, AI-driven processing, and Leica optics makes the Insta360 Ace Pro a solid choice for anyone wanting clear, vibrant footage in a compact, durable package.